Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how I color grade my pictures and how you can color grade your pictures. So first of all, you have to make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl and J on the keyboard, or Command J if you are using MacBook. So I will make a layer over here. As you can see, I have created a layer over here by pressing Ctrl and J on the keyboard. So next, what I will do is to go down there, and you can see that it's a circle type icon which is adjustment layer. So you have to select selective color from here, and you can see there are a lot of settings over here. I've showed this tool in my previous video, but this is detailed video on how to color grade your pictures. So first of all, I will go into the greens and change the green color. So I'm taking cyan to my left side and taking magentas to the right side, because as you can see that right side has more impact, and taking yellows to my right side to increase it, and taking blacks to also to my right side to increase the color and make the tone rich. Same for the yellow, I will decrease my cyan, increase magentas, increase yellow, and increase black a little bit. So next over there, I will go into cyans and increase cyan color. And so the cyan is basically working for your proper light, which is your sunlight. As you can see that cyan is working there, and blues also work for your proper sunlight. As you can see, I am sliding the slider to show you that to which extent what is the result. Next, I will go into whites and change the white color per my according. So you can see I am changing it according to me. So next over here, I will change the yellow and change the black. So you can do all the settings according to your picture or according to your need. So I have done here according to my need. So I will just go into the blacks now, and I will increase the black because I need rich contrast in black color, and I will not do anything to any other setting. I will just change the black in the black setting, and I will remove it. So let me take it, which is an adjustment layer mask, and I will brush over here with the black color, and as you can see that the yellowish tone on my face is now being removed. And let me do it properly. As you can see that I removed the yellowish tone. As I will do the same thing to my arms and feet and all the parts of my skin. So it's done now. Now what I will do over here, I have merged the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command E on the keyboard. So next over there, I will go into the adjustments panel and I will go into Vibrance. As you can see, I am now going into the Vibrance, and what I will do over here is just increase Vibrance a little bit, not too much, and increase saturation. So I've just I'm now done with Vibrance, and I will now change a little its impact by pressing Ctrl and F to make a fade on it, and I've faded it to 70%. Now I will go into hue and saturation. Here I will choose different colors. So there I'm going into yellow, I'm going into greens, as you can see, and I will change the green color. Okay, I'm now changing the green color, as you can see. So I've changed the green color to my according. I've just decreased it a little bit, and I will increase the lightness. Next over, I will go into yellows. Now I will decrease the yellow color to make it a little orangish type. So next what I will do is increase the lightness a little bit. So as you can see, I have increased the lightness to +7. Next over, I will go into blues and change the blue color to a little bit cyan type, and I will increase its saturation and increase the lightness. Next over, I will go into cyans and I will change it and I will just hit OK there. So as you can see that my picture is now properly color graded. So what the next I have to do is to increase the brightness on my face and my skin parts. So what I will do over here is make a mask over here. As you can see that I am taking a mask, or you can also take it by pressing Q and brush over the skin areas or the area where you want to increase light. As you can see, I have brushed it to my skin area, and again you have to click the mask to take a selection. As you can see, my selection was inverted. I have pressed Ctrl Shift and I to invert it. So what next I will do is I will increase the light over here. So how will you increase the light over here? I will press Control and L, or I will go into adjustments and take and open levels over here, and I will increase the levels to increase light on my face and my skin parts. So you can see I've increased the light. I will just decrease the blacks and I will highlight all my body and skin parts. So next I will go into curves. So you can also press curves by pressing Ctrl and M on the keyboard, or you can just go into adjustments panel and open curves. As you can see, I'm there and I will go into curves. So what you have to do is to take this from the center to a little bit upward, and to make the contrast rich I am taking it a little bit down, and you just have to hit OK. So as you can see that our picture is properly edited now. This is not full editing which I do for my pictures, this is just a little bit. So next over here what I will do is to darken my hairs and the dark parts. So I've darkened my hairs a little bit, not too much. So this is enough for today's video, because in the next video I will show you how I fully edit my pictures. So enough for today's video. Thank you very much.